Okay, welcome back. So today I'll be talking about the upper limb muscles, and I'll talk particularly for the first part about the arm muscles itself. All right, so initially, let's go ahead and take a look at the bones right here. So this is from the posterior aspect. This is the scapula or the shoulder blade, and this is the scapular spine. Then we have a fossa, supraspinous fossa, infraspinous fossa, and it is an inverted pyramid or inverted triangle right there. Okay, more bones. We have the clavicle up front, right there. So we do have the clavicle. We have the sternum itself, manubrium, body of the sternum and the xiphoid process. And from the lateral aspect, we have the humerus. Then again, this is the anatomical position. And this is the radius bone. And this is the ulnar bone. So the radius is more towards the lateral surface. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about the muscles. As we all know, or the majority of us know, that this is a deltoid muscle. All right. This is the supraspinatus muscle. And again, it will be implemented right here, right there. Supraspinatus muscle. And if I would just take off the deltoid muscle, we would find that we have the infraspinatus muscle. Then we have the teres minor, and we have the teres major muscles. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk more towards the lateral aspect of the muscles of the arm. So this muscle is called the brachialis muscle because it's within the brachium itself. It's the humerus. And from the posterior aspect, this will be called the triceps muscles. And again, we have three different heads. So the first one is called the lateral head of the triceps brachii muscle. Then we do have the tendon underneath or attached to it. So this is the tendon of the triceps brachii muscle. And if we flip it through here, we would find that we have the medial head of the triceps brachii muscle, and definitely up here we'll find the long head of the triceps brachii muscle. All right, so let's go ahead towards the biceps. Bi means two. All right, so this is the biceps muscle or the biceps brachii muscle, and it would have two different heads. So initially it would have the long head of the biceps brachii muscle and the short or medial head of the biceps brachii muscle. All right, so let's go ahead and remove the biceps brachii muscle. And as we see that this is the portion of the brachialis muscle present underneath. Okay, so let's move along. So this will be a summary actually for the upper limb. This is the subscapularis muscle.